It's your lady, Patience Ekle Ugochukwu, Madam Peku Africa. As you dey listen to me so, you be my neighbor and I wan cut soup for you. Anytime wey I get big soup, I dey like cut for my neighbor. I no dey like use am alone. It's not good now. Even Baba God say make we love our neighbor as ourselves. Just few days ago, I do video and I told you in the video that there is a coin reneg that we mined for over 1 year, and today it has paid off from Remitano cryptocurrency platform. Do you know that I actually set an alarm and mine that coin every day for over a year? And today I'm smiling. People wey mine am with me, they smile. You know why I dey talk like this? Because some persons are very, very impatient. Yes, so some people no dey like bear my name at all. See, sometimes I'm not always patient, but anything that got to do with money, as per Monica, Madam Casual be, I dey think far. I dey think wetin go happen in the next 2 years with wetin I hold. Wetin go happen in the next 5 years with wetin I hold. Some people dey like chop everything wey dem see. Na. I want to eat it. I want to eat it. If you dey chop everything wey you see na, you go end up chop your future. You go end up eat opportunity wey suppose save you 5 years to come or save your children. You go use your mouth chop am now. No be everything dem dey chop na. Yes, why I dey talk like this be say this new airdrop wey I dey give the link, wey if you create account you go receive $20 or $50 depending. And then some people just $20. They don dey ask, how I wan withdraw the money, how I wan withdraw the money. How much be $20? If you withdraw that money, e no go even do you 2 days food. You don chop and finish, you go start to dey find another thing to do. People that think far, that's how investment people thinks. If you want your tomorrow to butter like bread, wey be say time go reach, you go just sit down, you go just dey chop, dey work small. Na today e dey start. So we are going to do a $1,000 challenge. Me, I don start to. You know na. I know dey dull. So before the almighty Christmas land, accumulate that $1,000. You fit accumulate even just $300 or $500 if you only reach $1,000. If you wan keep am, make e turn to $5,000 for you, keep am for a while. But if you no wan keep am, just hala me na. Hala Mama Africa. I go tell you the procedures to follow. You go sell am sharparly, collect your money. Are you getting me? As e dey hot, you go collect your money, chop am. So this kind money, they no dey do big man, big woman. No dey form big girl, big boy. You guys get street knowledge. You dey get that part. Before me no dey put money for person pocket. So wetin you go need do be say make you sharparly call this number 090342965 and say, Madam Peku Africa, abeg give me the link. I wan collect $20. I wan collect $50. In fact, I want to do $1,000 challenge. Remember, you know they give me shishi. Because we know they give shishi, we dey collect. Okay, now the thing why I say I just holla you be that, so that you go join me chop the money later.